Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add text on Alight Motion. To add text on Alight Motion is a straightforward process, so here's how you can do it. Open up the Alight Motion application from your app drawer and make sure to sign into your account as well. Once you're signed into Alight Motion, go ahead and open up a project or create a new project for yourself. Here I have an existing project in my project list. Let me tap it open. Once you are done opening up your project, go ahead and tap on the plus button at the bottom right corner and then tap on the text option on the lower right. Now enter your text in the text box, type in your desired text, and after you are done with it, you can adjust the font, size, color, and alignment of the text. Those options are available at the very top of the screen. Select your font size and type the color of the font, your font size, and much more. Make sure to explore all of the functions at the top and then tap on the tick mark at the top right once done. Soon after you do that, you will be able to add text. Now as you can see that the video is previewing with the added text in it. So that is how it can be easily done. Once you are satisfied with the result, you can tap on the export button at the top right corner and then select a video format type and tap on export at the bottom. And that is how you will be able to add text on Alight Motion application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.